let's move from the pyramid to its exotic cousin, the cone. Okay? How would you find the volume of a cone? Well, here's the formula for the volume of a cone. It's 1/3 pi r squared h. So it looks very similar, in fact, to the volume for the volume of a pyramid, because we have 1/3 the area of the base times the height. In fact, it's the same philosophy. Let's draw a little picture of this so you can see what all the people look like. So this height is that perpendicular height right in the center, and the radius, of course, is the radius of the base. Let's try an example. So let's find the volume of a cone having radius 4 centimeters and a height 15. So what's the volume? Well, the volume is now going to be straightforward, given the formula. It's 1/3 pi r squared, which in this case would be 4 squared, or 16, times the height, which is 15. We can simplify here because 15 divided by 3 is 5, and so this is just going to be 5 times 16, which is 80 pi. And what are my units? My units are centimeters, but its volume, centimeters cubed. So you can see, not a big deal. Not a big deal. Let's try another example together. A little different. So let's find the volume of a cone with a base circumference of 18 pi and a height 6 centimeters less than twice the radius. Lots of words here. What's the first thing I would do? Draw a picture. I don't care if the picture's accurate or not. I just want something to be able to hinge my thinking on. So here we go. So here I have a cone, and I'm told that it has a base circumference. So I'm not given the radius, but I'm told that the circumference is equal to 18 pi. But I know the formula for circumference. It equals 2 pi r. So if I divide both sides by 2 pi, I see that 9 equals r. So they are telling me that the radius is 9, but in a sneaky way. So I go from the circumference information to the radius. That's good, not the radius. And what's the height? Well, the height, I'm told, a height 6 centimeters less than twice the radius. So I take twice the radius, and then I subtract 6. And so what do I get? Well, here I see 18, and 18 minus 6 is 12. Okay, so that was a very fancy way of saying the height is 12. Now I've got all the information that I need. I can actually compute the volume now directly. It's 1/3 pi r squared, which is 81, times 12. And if we simplify, we see 324 pi, and the units are centimeters cubed. No problem. So even when the information is camouflaged, our first task is to actually find the radius and find the height, and then we can use the formula for the volume of a cone to find its volume.